Business Insider. The Times of India. Fed meeting recap. FOMC holds rates steady as oil prices soar. U.S. stock markets today, March 18, 2026. S&P 500, Dow slide as Brent crude nears $110 and inflation fears intensify. Today. Yesterday. Here are the latest major headlines from the United States today. Moneybag economy and Federal Reserve. The U.S. Federal Reserve has kept interest rates unchanged amid rising uncertainty. Inflation concerns are growing due to the U.S. Iran conflict and rising oil prices. Business Insider. Markets reacted negatively, with stocks falling as investors worry about future inflation. The Times of India. Oil drum. Oil prices and global tensions. Oil prices are surging near $110 per barrel, mainly due to tensions in the Middle East. The Times of India. The ongoing conflict is impacting global supply and economic stability, keeping investors cautious. Investopedia. Tornado extreme weather crisis. A powerful megastorm has hit large parts of the U.S. It is bringing snowstorms, tornado risks, strong winds, and flooding, affecting millions of people. The Guardian. Flights cancelled, power outages, and emergency responses are ongoing. Classical building. Politics and government. Political tensions are rising. President Trump is criticizing allies over Middle East security issues. The Week. A Senate clash has erupted over intelligence handling related to the Iran war. The Times of India. Bar chart. Stock market and business. U.S. markets are volatile, reacting to rising oil prices, inflation fears, Federal Reserve decisions. The Times of India. Basketball. Sports news. March Madness 2026 has begun with early tournament games. New York Post. However, another college basketball tournament was unexpectedly cancelled, confusing fans. The Sun. High voltage. Quick summary. Economy under pressure, inflation plus oil surge. Middle East conflict impacting U.S. policy and markets. Severe weather hitting millions. Political tensions increasing.